Well, the Cuyahoga County Drug Program began in 2009 with Judge David Matia presiding. The purpose of the court is to break the cycle of repeat drug offenders due to drug dependency through evidence-based treatment programs.
Now, hundreds of people graduated into sober living, but Judge Matia now wants to spend a milestone birthday saving more lives. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins explains his plan.
That's right. Take a look, guys. This is an incredible plan. Imagine what would you do on your 60th birthday?
I'll tell you in a year, but it probably won't be biking 60 miles.
Well, Judge Matia says that's exactly what he plans on doing. Take a look.
In the last 15 years, thousands of drug-dependent defendants before Judge David Matia had a choice: jail or the drug court rehab program.
It's really the most fulfilling thing. Part of my job is see people come in who are really broken and alone and guide them to the first steps of recovery.
It's saved countless lives.
You know, we're saving the next generation because, you know, most of the people in drug court have kids. And, you know, now they've got at least one parent to help them with their homework, to teach them about life, to guide them.
To mark a milestone birthday at the end of October, Judge Matia is going to use two wheels to help break the cycle.
Trying to figure out what to do for your 60th birthday, and I thought, hey, but we've been doing drug court for 15 years, and people still don't know where to go when they're ready to begin their sobriety journey. So let's do a 60-plus mile ride throughout the county, visiting all of our treatment providers to show people where they can go when they're ready to start their recovery.
He'll bike to 10 treatment centers throughout Cuyahoga County to raise awareness.
We're gonna do it all in one day. The big spot, 10 stops, that maybe 15 minutes to stop. That's 2.5 hours right there. So we're gonna have to cut the chit chat down.
He's an avid trail cyclist, but this will be his first real road trip dedicated to the people he's watched break their own cycle.
You save one life, you save the world. You know, I like to say we've saved a couple of planets at this point.
So his ride inspired others to try to raise $10,000 for Project 180. That's the drug court alumni group, and they put on events each month that keep people connected and they keep people in sober settings. He's hoping the money can defray some of the cost of some of those events that they put on, and donations can be made through the Recovery Resources website, and I put a link on WKYC.com. It is, you know, I followed drug court since its inception from the beginning, and, you know, we were talking about it during the piece. It is a very, very successful program. Obviously, it's not 100%.
Sure.
But, you know, one of the common phrases I always hear is relapse is part of recovery. And, you know, as long as people are continuing to try, you know, there's hope.
Well, 15 years of that, and, you know, it makes a difference. It makes a big difference. And I know that's been his life's work really for the last decade and a half, but it's as you said, it's been a success.
This is something, this is just part of his docket. You know, he does the rest of the court stuff too. So this is, in fact, there's four judges doing it now. So this is something, but this was what he wanted to do on his 60th birthday. And he's like, hey, Monica, come tell everybody this is what I'm going to do. And I'm like, okay.
There we go.
You know, and I think now he's expecting me to ride with him, so we'll have to see what happens.
Let us know how that goes. We'd like pictures.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
I'll set my phone up and we'll do a
very good
thing.
Thanks.
Sure. Thanks, Mon.